I saw the name of it. I think I did Google it, but yeah, I just drove by and saw the name of one and I remembered it. So.
How would you describe your experience with the garage?
It was great. I brought it in late Monday, just before they were going to close. It is the Thursday morning. They got everything done. I actually had the text message from them for 2 days before I responded to it. So they literally didn't know that we were going to do this till last night, so they did it all basically Monday. We get right down to it. I received a text that had all the different options that were available on things. It's a very old car that needed a lot of stuff done. I was able to just click boxes and pick out what I wanted done. Oil change, coil flush, CV axle, and a hose that you can shoot through. This is a car that's been sitting for a couple of years. So they did everything, they said less than 24 hours.
Would you recommend the garage and why?
I would, and I'll be back. This was very easy. I've had a lot of bad automotive experiences here in town, and this is not one of them.
Yeah.
So,